and how is it going? Chris here at EarnToTrade, bringing you 4 more levels of my very own off of my charts that I'm going to be monitoring and why. Today we're going to be taking a look at the NQ. Let's start off by going 2 lines down. I stand corrected to 15030. This is an area in the market that at present, at the time of this video and the recent past, we have been showing support on. The bulls have been desperately clinging to stay above this level, because if we lose it, my eyes drop us down to a close area at 14860. This might be a backup location for the bulls. If that's lost, my eyes drop us all the way down to the 14285. So losing the 14860 could be really, really dramatic, but it remains to be seen. Now, if we do continue some bullish progress or come back with some bullish progress, 15400 is another area I've got marked off above where price is trading. It's a very important area of contention and could very well become a very stiff area of resistance for the bulls to break through. Good luck, happy trading, and I'll see you soon.